Okay, here we are on lovely Hawks Creek. Nice little place here. Got a little 8-inch prospector highbanker sitting over there, which we're going to use a bit. We'll be discharging to dry. Got a nice little spot here for it. Don't even have to dig a settling pond. Down here we have the mini highbanker that we're going to also try out today. As you can see, the whole thing fits inside the tub. We just have to fill the tub with water. So we'll do that and get it all set up, and then come back and run some material through. See what we get. This is all Fraser River country, real fine gold. Not expecting any pickers or clunkers, just real fine material. This is a little mini highbanker. Not really a production machine, but it's really good for doing tests. We're going to run about this little bucket, this tub down here. We'll have to empty that out from time to time because that's where your overburden goes. It's failing. So you can feed it with a shovel or by hand. Okay, now one of the other little features is by having a stub of water here, you now have a place in order to pan down your concentrates. Not really rocket science, but it works. Nice copper pan. Don't leave home without it. Good for panning. As well, you can use them for cooking too. Try that with a plastic pan. Okay, I'm just going to start this up again. There's a little bit more water. That washed out the sluice. Now we'll take this and put it off to the side. Take another pan. Our 2 sieves. And no water. A little more water. For this process here. I don't really want to try and shake this stuff through the sieve. I want to wash it through the different screens. Really saves on the screen. You won't wear them out as quick, and they are expensive to replace. Okay, that should probably have done it. Okay, now, when you're patting down your concentrates from your little highbanker, this little tub comes in pretty handy. Now, I have seen people use a pan in all kinds of ways. Myself, I like to just gently shake it, because you've already screened this down to -20. So it's pretty fine material. And then it's just a matter of letting the water actually suck the sand out. I've seen people try and throw it out like this. That doesn't work too well. What I find works is you just put the pan in and pull straight up, and the water will suck out the lighter material. You continue shaking it down. That settles the gold and the heavy minerals right to the very bottom. And you do a few of these. And resettle it again. And we'll come back to this here in a little bit. Okay, now we reduced the amount. Well, we ran about 15 gallons of material through the little mini highbanker, and I reduced it down to just a little bit of black sand, and there's a little bit of gold in it. I mean, this is out on the Fraser River, so that's really super fine stuff here. Just trying to get the last bit of sand away from it, and you should be able to see it. There's just a little tiny bit of flour gold, fly speck.
So be still and shine that gold at it.
No, there's a couple of nice little pieces in there. Most people do not have the patience to pan this way. Hang on, Tom. We're just about there. Okay. Now you can see there's just a bunch of little tiny flecks of fly shit gold in there. But that's not that bad, really. 10, 15 gallons of pretty much ugly sand out here on the Fraser.